Hello guys, welcome back to the Honorable Civil Engineers YouTube channel. This is a special video regarding memberships in our channel. Many of our subscribers asking in the comments like, how will you do these animation videos and which software are you using? So many questions are like that. So by putting it all of them in my mind, I am created a making video series. Through this you can get the knowledge about the software which is I am using currently for doing these animation videos. Already I have started posting live sessions in my YouTube channel, but you can get them only if you subscribe and you will be a member, so that you can get all these live sessions whatever we are going to cover for the new animation videos in our channel. Currently we are on a project doing that the base plate and types of base plates. So making these videos I will post live sessions in YouTube. You can follow them and also learn how to achieve the final result. I will go through step by step in the making process. You can follow and learn. Yeah, that's it. This video I think will helps you and this series also. So please do a part of our channel and please enroll as member in our channel. That will be most helpful for me. Yeah, of course that is not free. It will cost around less than $2. It's nothing. So but it will be helpful for me if you guys join more. So thank you guys. Be a member of our channel. Finally I am saying that. Thank you.